Hi, welcome to Missologist. I'm back for one of my cider reviews. You'll have to forgive my hair, it's a little crazy today, but today and the cat, ignore the cat, she's hungry. Christine, shush. Okay, so anyway, today we are trying Swift Strawberry, and it's supposed to just essentially taste like ripe strawberry, sweet caramel, fruity tart apple, clean finish. It's 5.9 ABV, so that's like, somewhat high for a cider, but not that bad. Swift Cider is a really great company. If you've never heard of them, they do make very excellent cider, and I believe they even have a cidery somewhere around here, but I've never been. Okay, so, oh, yeah, made in Portland, fresh berry tart apple. Okay, so let's give this one a try, shall we? Okay. All right, so, smells very nice. Smells like apple cider. I'm not really smelling any strawberry, just apple cider, but it does smell very nice, and it appears to be very effervescent, bubbly, so we shall see. Okay, so yeah, if you can see that, and I will do a close-up, don't worry, but the color is, it has a tinge of red to it, but it's mostly looks like regular apple cider. I'm not really, I'm not seeing a super red color, which I was kind of curious to see if there would be a super red color, but I think it's showing up a little more red on the screen than it is in person. In person, it's very much just apple colored. So, trying to see if I can smell the strawberry now that it's out of the can, so. I think I might be getting some more of the strawberry, now that it's not in the actual can, but the only real way to find out is to taste it, right? So, okay, yeah, it's drier than I was expecting. To be honest, I thought strawberry was gonna be on the sweeter side or the semi-sweet side, but I'm getting a very, very dry effect from this, and which is fine. It's not a bad thing. It's just not what I was expecting going in. I was definitely expecting a sweeter, sweet tart experience, being that it is strawberry, but I'm not complaining. It's good. I'm not actually tasting any strawberry though, at least with the first sip. I did not taste any strawberry. It really just tasted like a dry apple cider. Part of that, I did not refrigerate this, and I probably should have, but yeah, lots of stuff going on, didn't really have time to refrigerate it. So, the taste can change a lot if you refrigerate it. So I may put it in the fridge and try it again later and see if the flavor changes. But let's give it a second sip, because you're always supposed to give it a second sip. I feel like I did sniff a bit of strawberry at the beginning there, and maybe had a tiny bit at the very beginning, and then it just went into pure dry apple flavor. So definitely not what I was expecting from this particular cider. So that's, that's super That's very interesting. It's, again, not a bad thing, just not what I was expecting given, you know, strawberry cider just seems very feminine. And the females, at least in my experience, being one myself, we tend to go for the sweeter ciders. So, you know, just good to know. But yeah, I definitely would say try this for yourself, see if you like it. You know, support Swift, great company, great cider, and cheers.